The sweet spot that people look for in the gig economy is making money online. We've uncovered several good possibilities, regardless of whether your goal is to become a six-figure social media influencer or you simply want to add some online side jobs to your current income. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 15. Become a private tutor. Become a private instructor to turn your aptitude in math, science, a foreign language, or exam preparation into a successful side business. Both online and in-person tutoring are options. Your fee may vary depending on the market, your level of experience, and your area of specialty. To get started, check Craigslist to see what kinds of tutors are required, or make an account on tutor.com or care.com. Additionally, you may promote your services at neighborhood community centers and schools. Number 14. Get a babysitting gig. Anyone may make money by watching other people's kids, from recent retirees to college students. Although recommendations from friends and family are still a fantastic way to get started, you can also broaden your reach by creating a free profile on care.com or Sittercity. Keep track of any specialist knowledge you may have, such as CPR certificates, to boost your marketability. Number 13. Rent out your car. People who live in cities frequently go days or even weeks without using their automobiles. With services like GetAround and Turo, which allow you hire out your car by the hour or day, that downtime may turn into additional cash. The majority of those profits go to you, with GetAround or Turo keeping a portion to cover the cost of maintaining your vehicle while it is being hired out. Number 12. Trade in old phones, electronics for cash. Have a discarded smartphone, iPad, or game console hanging around. On a website like Swap or Gazelle, sell it. Look into Amazon's trade-in program, which rewards members with eBay and Amazon gift cards. If you need cash right away for your gadget and are in a hurry, use an Eco ATM kiosk. Number 11. Sell unused gift cards. Sell unused or partially used gift cards on a website like CardCash or GiftCash to get additional cash. These websites claim to pay you up to 92% of the value of the card. You may also exchange your card for one you'll use on CardCash. Check out more information on what to do with unused gift cards. Number 10. Sell your photography. Use websites like Fine Art America, where you can post your photos to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone covers, and other products to turn your photos into revenue. SmugMug, 500px, and PhotoShelter are more online picture markets. Some websites charge a monthly fee, but offer features like password-protected galleries, cloud storage, and personalized websites. Number 9. Monetize your Twitch channel. If you have a consistent following on Twitch, the premier gaming website, gaming might be a method to earn money from home. If they achieve affiliate or partner status, broadcasters can accept donations from viewers and potentially take a cut of subscription and advertising income. Find out more about the Twitch business model. Number 8. Become an Instagram influencer. People with sizable, devoted Instagram followings are being used by businesses as brand ambassadors. Apply for chances through a marketing platform like OpenInfluence or Aspire, or get in touch with the businesses you wish to collaborate with to get in on the action. Learn more about Instagram's revenue opportunities. This is another option to monetize TikTok. Number 7. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Make money from your cat videos. You might be able to earn money from advertising if your blog entries or YouTube videos have a large following. Before enrolling for the YouTube Partners program, producers must reach a threshold of 1,000 subscribers, according to YouTube. Then, Google AdSense, a service that companies pay for to promote around your video, is available to YouTube Partners. Although the service is free, you must adhere to some conditions. Learn more about how to use Google AdSense and YouTube to generate money. Number 6. Sell your wares on Etsy. Have a knack for ceramics, jewelry making, needlework, woodworking, or other crafts. Sell your products on Etsy, the preferred platform for independent creators of home decor, artwork, and trinkets. According to Statista data, Etsy had 96 million active users and generated over $13.5 billion in sales of goods in 2021. Find out more about the Etsy earning potential. Number 5. Make money from your blog as an affiliate. If your site receives a respectable amount of traffic, you might earn money by signing up for an affiliate network. When a visitor clicks over from the website to the partner site and makes a purchase there, the affiliates, that would be you, get compensated. This is how some bloggers make a lot of money. Learn more about affiliate marketing and other revenue streams for bloggers. Number 4. Take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to be rolling in the dough. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Read our analysis of survey sites to find out which one is best suited for you. Number 3. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. A human touch is still needed for some tasks, even in the era of technology. Employers frequently use platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk to outsource certain jobs. The jobs you'll be given as a worker might be tiresome and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Examples include labeling photographs, transcribing movies, and sorting receipts. The cost of each assignment is determined by temporary employers or requesters, who also get to approve the final result before paying you. Research is important because that might allow potential for frauds. Join a group that can help you avoid shady vendors, such as the MTurk Crowd Forum or the MTurk and Turker Nation subreddits. These worker communities and their members can respond to inquiries and provide an accurate estimate of how much money you may anticipate to make. Learn more about using Mechanical Turk to get quick income online. Number 2. Test websites and apps. Utilizing websites like usertesting.com to earn money from home is another option. You are compensated for your opinions about the effectiveness of particular websites and mobile applications. To get accepted, you must pass a brief exam. Afterward, you will receive payment based on the type of test. Usertesting.com does not provide a precise sum. Number 1. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? Check sites such as Django or Blend Express, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. Learn how to get started on Upwork. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.